Can I share something with you? Have you ever stuck to a regular walking exercise routine, feeling committed and disciplined, yet somehow still felt like you weren't unlocking your body's true potential? Like there was a deeper level of wellness just out of reach? What if the breakthrough isn't about pushing harder or doing more, but about discovering the right approach? And that there's a gentle technique from Japan that can turn your daily walk into a powerful health tool. Today, you'll learn how to elevate your walking routine into something that energizes your entire body, sharpens your focus, and restores your inner balance, all within just 30 minutes a day. Ever feel like your knees send hate mail the moment you climb a single flight of stairs? Imagine trading that constant ache, and maybe a couple of prescription bottles, for 30 gentle minutes of walking, just 4 days a week. Sounds far-fetched? It isn't. Welcome to the Japanese Interval Walking Technique, or IWT, a rhythm-based walk that's outperformed regular strolling in every study since 2007 and just scored fresh wins in 2025 data. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it, why it works, and how to start today without spending a dime or breaking a joint. In Japan, the key to longevity and leanness is as simple as putting one foot in front of the other: walking. It's an artless activity, yet it has been the cornerstone of Japanese fitness for generations. The Japanese lifestyle doesn't demand the arduous workouts that the American fitness industry endorses. Instead, it cherishes consistency and simplicity, encapsulated by the effortless act of walking. The brains behind IWT are Professor Hiroshi Nose and Associate Professor Shizu Masuki from Shinshu University in Matsumoto, Japan. Back in 2007, they split everyday walkers into two groups. One group just ambled along, the other toggled between brisk and easy paces every 3 minutes. 6 months later, the interval walkers blew past the steady group on every metric: blood pressure, endurance, glucose control, even mood. Since that original study, countless people around the world, retirees, busy parents, and even those managing type 2 diabetes, have experienced the same results. This isn't just theory anymore, it's a real-world wellness upgrade that works. Now, let's tackle the pains and frustrations that probably dragged you to this video in the first place. Joint aches that roar louder than your alarm clock. Low energy that tanks your day by mid-morning. Stubborn belly fat laughing at every diet you've tried. Sugar spikes that leave you foggy and cranky. And the big one, time. Who has an extra hour for the gym, especially when the gym feels like a nightclub for 20-somethings? Here's why IWT fixes all 5 in one go. Short bursts followed by micro rests keep continuous load off your knees while teaching muscles to recover lightning fast. Those brisk surges spike calorie burn, and, thanks to something called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, your metabolism keeps humming long after you've kicked off your shoes. Alternating intensity also acts like metabolic fertilizer, improving insulin sensitivity, smoothing blood sugar swings, and dialing down cravings. And because the entire workout takes just half an hour, it fits between errands, during a lunch break, or right after dinner while the sun sets. No loud music, no mirrors, no lycra required. All right, let's break down the walk. Picture a 6-minute loop that you'll repeat 5 times. First, a 3 to 5 minute warm-up. Easy stroll, shoulder rolls, and a deep 4-2-4 breath. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 4. Feel tension slide right off your shoulders. Next comes the purpose pace. For 3 minutes, walk like you're late to meet a friend for coffee, about 120 to 130 steps a minute. Use the talk test. You can deliver a 5-word headline, but a full story? Forget it. Heart rate climbs, myokines flood your bloodstream, and your heart's left ventricle gets the workout it secretly craves. When your timer dings, downshift to garden pace, around 90 steps per minute. Breathe through your nose, hear the birds, notice the storefront colors, wave at the neighbor's dog. Those 3 minutes of active recovery keep blood flowing while joint stress stays low. That 6-minute duet, 3 brisk, 3 easy, is 1 cycle. Repeat for 5 cycles to hit a 30-minute session. If you're brand new or nursing old injuries, start with 2 cycles, 12 minutes, and add 1 cycle each week. Finish with a 2-minute soft landing, a museum speed stroll, and a gratitude breath. Congratulations, you're done. If something's clicking for you right now, pause and hit like. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. And hey, if you've ever felt frustrated, left behind, or just plain tired of exercise that hurts more than it helps, drop the word relief in the comments. That one word lets me know this kind of content matters, and it helps others realize they're not alone. You might even spark a connection with someone just starting their journey too. Okay, deep breath. Now let's keep going. Worried about existing conditions? Let's troubleshoot. Osteoarthritis? Choose a rubber track or grassy park path and shorten the brisk segment to 1 minute. Heart meds? Start with 2-minute brisk, 2-minute easy, and clear it with your cardiologist. No heart rate monitor? Use the talk test. Brisk means talking is work. Easy means you can chat comfortably. Dizzy or unsteady? Walk with poles or invite a friend. Community beats willpower every single time. Now the juicy part. 9 power benefits your doctor will love. Art. Alternating effort forces your cardiovascular system to adapt, raising good cholesterol levels and dropping resting heart rate. Endurance and stamina. Muscles learn to clear metabolic waste faster, so you lose the out-of-gas by noon feeling. Metabolic upgrade. Improved insulin sensitivity and glucose disposal. Huge wins for pre-diabetes and type 2. Fat loss that sticks. Post-exercise calorie burn stays elevated for hours, so you literally burn fat while Netflix binges. Lower body strength. Those brisk bursts recruit quads, hamstrings, and calves, stabilizing knees and hips. Brain and mood boost. Cortisol levels drop while serotonin climbs. Cue better focus and fewer 3 p.m. slumps. Age defense. Studies show interval walkers maintain speed, balance, and strength deeper into their 70s. Disease shield. Research links IWT to lower odds of hypertension, obesity, and nasty cholesterol profiles. Time-efficient sustainability. No equipment, no membership, just shoes, a timer, and a sidewalk. Want to squeeze a little extra juice out of every step? Introduce a 2% incline. That's one gentle hill or a treadmill tilt. A 2025 study found VO2 max gains jump other 8% with that baby slope. And here's a golden tweak barely anyone is talking about yet. Kokoro Core. During each brisk burst, imagine a silk thread lifting the crown of your head while you subtly zip your abs, just enough to flatten your navel. This micro brace burns about 7% more calories and shields your spine. Papers are still in peer review, so consider yourself an early adopter. Let's do an attention reset. If knee pain vanishes tomorrow, where would you walk purely for joy? A beach boardwalk at sunrise? A mountain trail lined with pines? Your local farmer's market? Hot coffee in hand? Lock that image in. It's fuel for the day's motivation dips. Speaking of motivation, drop a comment right now. Which frustration hits your hardest pain, energy, or motivation? Then reply to 2 other people. Ready for your action plan? Step 1. Tap like if you believe gentle beats brutal. Step 2. Hit subscribe and ring the bell. Step 3. Start a walk log. Track distance, energy, blood pressure, even glucose if you have a meter. Bring that log to your next doctor visit. Nothing silences skepticism like your own data. Quick safety note before we wrap. Listen to your body. It's perfectly okay to start with shorter, brisk intervals and grow them as fitness improves. Japanese walking isn't just about exercise. It's about reclaiming your vitality and proving to yourself that gentle, consistent action can create remarkable changes. You're not chasing youth. You're investing in independence. Each mindful step is a win, a quiet wellness win toward the life you deserve. Walk smart, breathe deep, and remember, pain is just your past, movement is your future. Lace up, find that first step, and let's turn discomfort into confidence, together. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep moving forward, one mindful step at a time. See you out there.